Brian Bowersock, the Automan here. Today we're talking about some of the most common and costly repairs on a vehicle and why they are so. One of the most common and costly repairs is replacing tires on a vehicle. Tires do wear out. They're rubber without question. You can do a lot of things to keep tires in good working order and get the most extended life out of them though. One of them is keeping the tire pressure monitor system up and operating properly and keeping the tires aired properly. Along with that will extend the life of the tires and make them wear evenly. Another one is keeping suspension components and steering components in good working order and replaced as needed when worn out. When the angles get off on an alignment because of worn suspension and steering components, you often can get tires that wear out early, costing more money to have them replaced before they need to be. Brake systems often cost money to have replacement. They wear out, and if not inspected regularly, can cost more money because of items such as going metal to metal, etc., and also causing failure of the hydraulic components such as calipers. The last one is a timing belt. Timing belts are expensive to replace, but if not done so when required, can become a lot more expensive. I'm Brian Bowersock with the West Automotive Group.
For the latest automotive news and helpful tips, join the Automan next Friday following News 8 at 7 a.m. and 7 p.m. on the CW San Diego.